Hi, I'm Katie, your safety trainer, and in today's video, we'll be talking about cooking grease trap cleaning safety. To prevent fats, oils, and grease from clogging up sewer systems, many restaurants and food establishments use grease traps. These traps can vary in size from small ones to large systems and can be located either indoors or outdoors, depending on the establishment. In places with small grease traps, employees may be responsible for cleaning them. While this is often a simple task, it can expose you to certain hazards. Enjoying this safety video? There's more where that came from on GotSafety Lite. Sign up for free and gain access to our library of over 1,800 safety videos. If we don't have the lesson you're looking for, we'll make it at no cost. Click the link to sign up today. In this video, we'll discuss the hazards associated with cleaning grease traps, the personal protective equipment or PPE you may need to wear, and some safe work practices to help reduce the risk of injury. Let's get started. When cleaning a grease trap, there are several potential hazards you should be aware of. You could be exposed to harmful bacteria from decomposing food particles, which may lead to infections. There's also a risk of eye irritation or damage if grease or cleaning products like bleach, detergents, sanitizers, or enzymes come into contact with your eyes. Musculoskeletal injuries are another concern, especially from staying in awkward positions for long periods, performing repetitive scooping motions, or lifting heavy buckets, traps, or trash bags. Lastly, you should be careful to avoid slipping on spilled grease or water, as this could cause falls and injuries. Always take proper precautions to minimize these risks. To help reduce the risk of injury when cleaning a grease trap, it's important to wear the right personal protective equipment or PPE. This may include safety glasses, goggles, or a face shield to protect your eyes from grease or cleaning products. A waterproof apron or coveralls can help protect your clothing and skin from contamination. Wear gloves to protect your hands from bacteria and harmful substances. Lastly, non-slip, closed-toed shoes or rubber boots are important to prevent slips and keep your feet safe. Due to the strong odor that may come from grease traps, some people may also want to use a nose plug or a mask for added comfort. Before using any PPE, make sure to inspect it for wear or damage. If you find any damaged items, report them to your supervisor and do not use them. Always wear undamaged PPE to ensure maximum protection. When cleaning out a grease trap, it's important to follow these steps to stay safe. First, tie back long hair and remove any jewelry to prevent grease from getting caught in your hair or on your skin. Always check the manufacturer's label or packaging for cleaning instructions for the products you'll be using. If you're unsure about anything on the label, talk to your supervisor. Be aware that when you open the grease trap, a strong, unpleasant odor may be present, especially if it's been a while since the last cleaning. If the smell is too strong, consider using the provided ventilation system to pull the air out of the room or open a door or window to help clear the space. Use the proper tools to open the grease trap, following both the manufacturer's instructions and your company's procedures. If you're unsure about how to open the trap, ask your supervisor for guidance. Position your body comfortably while scooping out the solids from the trap. Change your body position regularly to avoid staying in an awkward position for too long. Practice proper ergonomics when lifting buckets or the trap to avoid musculoskeletal injuries. Always use cleaning products and sanitizing products according to the manufacturer's instructions and your company's policies. If you spill any water or grease, clean it up right away to avoid slips and falls. Lastly, after finishing the cleaning task, make sure to wash your hands and any other areas where grease may have gotten on you with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to reduce the risk of contamination. Grease traps are used by restaurants and other food establishments to prevent fats, oils, and grease from clogging municipal sewer systems. These traps can vary in size, with smaller ones often being cleaned by employees. While cleaning a grease trap is a simple task, it does come with some risks. To minimize the chances of injury, always wear the correct PPE and follow your company's procedures when cleaning out a grease trap. If you have any questions or concerns about the process at your workplace, make sure to talk to your supervisor. That's all for today's lesson. If you liked this video, look for us on social media. And remember, stay safe out there. Cooking, grease trap, cleaning safety, K, take 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. There are several potential hazards you should be aware. Did I say potential? I think I said potential.
Your shirt.
No!
Oh my goodness!
All the things are happening at one time. Performing repetitive scooping motions or lifting heavy buckets, traps, or trash bags. I was like, did you need me to stop?
No, we're just back here scooping.
Are you gonna scoop in the grease? Position your body comfortably while scooping out the solids from the trap.
That's disgusting. I want to throw up.
This is the worst lesson ever.
Yeah.